This video I want to show you how you can change your main menu logo inside Adobe Flash Professional. Let's load our main menu project. This project is which I send you. Let's save it as main menu and my mood. Save. You can see these are our flash layers. Static elements are our buttons and menu title and logo. Let's unlock it. Okay, you can see, double click on menu title and it will be expanded. Let's fix magnification, fitting window. Okay, so what you will do is just unlock the static elements layer, unlock it, double click on menu title. Okay, just hide buttons and console tooltips. Now the logo layer still remains visible. You can see at properties panel there is a color effect and alpha amount. You can see when you set it to 100, CryEngine logo will appears, and when you set it to 0 it disappears. The follow graph is using this method to show and hide main menu logo. Double click on it, select all of CryEngine signs and delete them. Resize your Adobe Flash and move to where you saved your game logo. I save my logo here. Clips, UI, texture, no, Flash assets, image. You can see, for example, this logo is here. Just what you want to do, what you need to do is drag it into your Adobe Flash screen. It will import it automatically. Okay, ready. Rescale Windows. You can see your logo loaded. If it's small, you can resize it with a free transform tool, but this is not recommended because this will decrease your logo quality. So if your logo is small, just recreate it with your Photoshop or what software you are using for making logo. Okay, place it at correct position and right click on it, then click convert to symbol. Make sure you selected movie clip, a type, and name it to logo and say click OK. Now head back to main container. You can see when you moving alpha slider, your logo will appears and disappears. Okay, don't forget to unhide hidden layers. Now move back to main root of your stream. Everything is okay. Just press publish. This will create a flash file inside your uh, Lips UI folder. This is what I send you. This folder is UI project which I send you. You can see menu, start menu. This is our published flash file. Okay, just click and move it into your uh, mm, CryEngine tools and GFX export folder. Okay, I delete these files I created before for test. Okay, paste it here. You can see GFX export located here. This GFX exporter used for compiling SPF files or flash files into compatible format for CryEngine. Right click and drag it here and press create shortcut here. Right click and properties. Okay, at end of target add a space, underline, I space, capital DDS. So what I do, I just added a space, underline, I space, DDS. Just press apply. Okay, drag and drop your generated SPF file to this on this shortcut. This will create a GFX file and your logo as DDS format. Okay, move back to your CryEngine Game SDK folder. You can see there are many packs here. We need game data. Right click and open it with WinRAR and move to Lips UI folder. You can see menus, start menu. This is the full CryEngine main menu UI. Select it and press delete. We want to replace it with our generated UI. Okay, select your GFX and your exported logo and drag and drop into your WinRAR window. Press OK. This way you can see these are added to game data that pack inside Lips UI. Okay, let's test our UI. Launch game. If you did everything correctly, now you will see your modified UI. Yes, you can see your logo is here. If it is small, you can make bigger logo and follow this tutorial for creating another one. Okay, that's it. Easy.